My name is John Thompson, and this is my colleague, Andy Bandopadier. We're here to demonstrate our B2B technology solution called Attune, which is an insights platform that enables organizations to optimize for financial health. As Andy's showing you on the screen, the platform, I want you to know that Attune is the product of years of research and in-market testing showing that improving financial health outcomes drives business results for employers and financial institutions alike. We were born out of a national nonprofit called the Financial Health Network that's driving this understanding. Banks, credit unions, fintechs, and employers across sectors are using Attune to track and see those results for themselves. What's measured gets managed, and we finally make that possible for financial health.
I'm going to show you the quickest way to get started, surveying your customers using Attune's standalone solution, no complicated integrations required. That said, if you'd like to use Attune's engine to power the financial health section of your mobile banking app or employee portal, you can use Attune through a set of APIs. So let's jump in. I'm looking at my dashboard, and I see that 10% of my customers are categorized as financially vulnerable, 56% are categorized as coping, and 34% are categorized as healthy. I'm looking for opportunities to better serve my customers, to increase customer trust, loyalty, and lifetime value by tailoring our products and services to meet their financial needs. So I'm going to dive into the 8 indicators of financial health. My customers are doing pretty well on paying bills on time, so I'm not going to prioritize that for new product development. They do need some help on long-term savings, though. Out of 54, they're coping, and they're lagging a little behind the national average. So I'm going to dig a little deeper. I'm going to look at the distribution of long-term savings scores overall and see if there are any age, education, or income groups that need the most help. Among 18 to 25-year-olds, 26% are healthy. Among 26 to 35-year-olds, only 10% are healthy. Among 36 to 49-year-olds, 10% are healthy. And among 50 to 64-year-olds, 26% are healthy. So I have the beginnings of a strategy. 26 to 49-year-olds have the most potential for growth in this indicator. I need a product or service to help with long-term savings. And if I really want to increase customer trust, loyalty, and lifetime value, that product or service needs to actually work. I need people to systematically save for the long term. So I'm going to click recommendations, and I see a handy list of interventions shown to be effective in the peer-reviewed literature. I know that if I design a product or service around one of these interventions, it's going to work. My customers are going to become more financially healthy, and when they do, they're going to have greater assets, and they're going to invest those assets with us since they trust us to help them.
The platform can also show you financial health data by race, ethnicity, and gender, offering key insights and financial health equity gaps that may exist in the populations you're working with. And this visibility enables action. We're just on the cusp of launching longitudinal measurement dashboards as well, so that customers can track changes over time compared to benchmarks that we produce each quarter.
I'm building a deck with our new product roadmap, and I'm going to download these charts to drop them right in. No screenshots required. And for the data nerds on my team, I'm going to pull a CSV file of our survey data, including financial health scores, survey responses, and the survey metadata that shows respondents took less than 2 minutes to complete the quiz. I'm also going to ask my data nerds to pair the survey data with some of our administrative data. I want to know if our 26 to 49-year-old customers are already using our retirement planning consultations. If not, can we start this initiative with a marketing campaign? Looking at the data has also given me another idea. We've been analyzing the financial needs of our customers, but what about our prospects? What if we could have an intake appointment with prospects showing them exactly how we can help? I'm going to set up a new quiz, and I'm going to put the link on our website and make the call to action a link to set up an appointment with one of our salespeople. Here's how. I'll give it a name. I'll make sure the brand color is correct. It's automatically pulled from my logo. I'll check anonymous so that anyone can fill out the link. I'll choose the questions to include, in this case, the 8 FinHealth score questions, and an open text question to get a little bit more color. I'll schedule it to start tomorrow and then last through the end of the year. And then I'll confirm that the call to action link to book an appointment is correct. My quiz is now ready. I can copy and paste a link right here to send to my web developer to put it on the homepage.
And our customer success team is always at the ready through the chat feature at the bottom of the page, not just to help with quiz design and best practices, but also with interpreting results and what actions to consider.
I can also preview the quiz anytime. I can take the quiz wherever I am, on my phone, standing in line at the grocery store, at my desk while I'm working, and everywhere in between. All I have to do is answer 8 simple questions. As I go through these, notice they're designed to be easy to answer, but they're derived from rigorous longitudinal research by the Financial Health Network. They cover spending, saving, borrowing, and planning. After the 8 questions and the open-ended question about what people need help with, what each user gets is a quick overview of where they most need to focus, where else they can grow, and where they're financially strong. And I can click the call to action to book an appointment to find out how a financial institution can help.
Attune's customers are seeing real change. Imagine the different ways that you might use the platform. You might use it to build better products that people actually use to help them. This in turn translates to increased trust, loyalty, and lifetime value. And Attune can give you that insight. Imagine you could acquire customers more efficiently. When prospects see a mutual understanding and get how you can help them, they convert better. It can help you drive cross-sell because knowing what your customers need means hyper-targeted, relevant offers, not just selling people what they might buy. And you can assess and measure your own impact. When your customers do better, your business does better. End of story. We can help you make that connection and prove it.
Employers see real change too. Imagine putting total rewards dollars where they matter and improving productivity and retention. Research shows that financially healthier employees are more productive and less likely to quit. We're happy to share how we've done this with our own team as an employer.
So in summary, Attune offers providers and employers alike 3 things. Number 1, the ability to measure the financial health of people and populations using an industry standard framework and do that over time. Number 2, to understand the results and compare them to nationally representative data sets and break the results down by key demographics, age, income, race, gender, and more. And third, to get categorical insights on steps that your organization can take to help customers and employees improve their outcomes from the experts in financial health. Your most profitable customers and your best employees are the ones that are most successful in their financial lives, and we're here to help you make that happen.
What's next for us? More insights, more fine-tuned recommendations, and the integration of administrative and transaction data. Visit us at attune.co to take the next step.